Hey y'all, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I installed this invisible strap water wave 360 wig from Ashimaryhair. This wig is super easy for beginners and I love how quick it was to install. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep watching. This wig came pre-plucked and pre-bleached. It's literally ready to install. It also has HD lace and it comes with these invisible straps. So all you have to do is pull them and tighten them to your liking and your wig will be secured. And you don't need any lace or glue, and I love that because usually with 360 wigs you have to add some glue in the back, but this one from Ashimaryhair is 100% glueless. So all I did was added some foundation on my wig cap and my wig's lace, and then I went ahead and pulled those drawstrings to tighten the wig and make sure that it is secured. And as y'all can see in the back, there is no lace showing. So I decided to go with a middle part for this look, and then I'm just adding my baby hairs, and then I'm just going to use some lace spray to lay those down. And to make sure everything is laying down and melted, I'm going to use my wig band and then just kind of work on that part. I'm going to go in with my wax stick and hot comb to make sure that the wig is laying flat at the top. Anytime I get curly hair, I do like to brush it all out and redefine the curls. So I'm just going to go in with my spray bottle and use some styling foam to define them. And this is how the final look came out. Y'all, look how bomb this install came out. And it literally didn't take me any time. The wig was literally ready to wear. It's super beginner friendly. And I just love how the curls came out. Everything is so full. The wig is glueless, so it's not harsh on your edges at all. You can also wear it in an updo. So now I'm just putting it in a little claw clip, and this is a super cute style as well. Again, no lace is showing in the back, and I just love this. It's a perfect wig to throw on if you don't have anything to do to your hair and you want something super quick and easy. And another big shout out to Ashimaryhair. All the details to this wig will be down below in my description. That's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.